I'm starting this vlog very abruptly because I was not expecting this whatsoever. Don't worry, I am keeping my eyes on the road. But I'm heading to Best Buy right now. I did not plan to vlog today. I did not know this was gonna happen. Also, I'm vlogging on my new iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm still the front camera, so the front camera I don't think is any better. But still, really liking it so far. Anyways, I'm going to Best Buy because I do believe that me and Raph are getting a new TV today. With my new job that I have, I'm going to be talking to people. I'm not going to be typing anymore. I cannot have any, background noise, obviously, because I'm going to be talking to people. So Raph is going to need a place to where he can, relax, lay in bed, play his games and stuff like that, and we currently don't have a TV in the bedroom right now, and I have been wanting a frame TV for over a year now, and I think I'm gonna get a frame TV, y'all. I looked on the Best Buy website and they have the one that I want, and it says an hour pickup, but I've never actually seen it in person before. I've seen other people have theirs. I'm gonna go look at it in person, make sure it's everything that we want, and then with any luck, we'll get it. And then it is gonna be a mounted TV. It's my first ever mounted TV. I've never had a mounted TV before. Very abrupt start to the vlog today. Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. That was not in the right order, but yeah, I will continue on vlogging today. It's Saturday, and then I'll vlog tomorrow as well if anything happens. But yeah, go and get TV. I got the TV, but it will not fit in my car. So I called Mom and she's gonna come over here and bring her massive car over here and we're gonna put it in there, but I'm super excited. So this is the TV right here. She's so beautiful. I love her to pieces. I got just the black frame, the standard one, but I can swap it out whenever I want to get the white bezel to go around it. But this is the 65 inch. I got the 55 because it's going in the bedroom, but it looks so beautiful. Oh my God. And these guys right here, I really want because you can put them on the back, on your wall or on the back of your TV, and they will literally adjust color depending on what you're watching. So if you're watching something that has a lot of a certain color in it, it'll be that color, and it will change, and it's so cool. It'll change and literally become what you're watching. I'm so into it. Hello. Hello. Hello, my baby. Oh my goodness. Hi. Kiva. We're gonna have a new TV in here, honey. Oh my God. I'm so excited. You have no idea. Hi, honey. I should really stop using my phone to vlog. I should get out my camera, but I just want to use my phone right now. My mom, okay, so it didn't fit in the car, as you saw in my last clip. So my mom had to come save the day in her big car, so we were able to get it in her car, and it's fine. And now she is actually at Arby's because we haven't eaten anything for dinner, so we were gonna have Arby's for dinner, and I'm so excited. I love Arby's. I feel like people shit on Arby's a lot. I don't know why. Their stuff is bomb. I've been eating Arby's since I was 6. It's really good. Anyways, she should be here in just a few minutes, and yeah. I'm super jazzed. It's gonna be installed on Wednesday. I brought it home with me because of course I wanna still use it. Duh, I don't wanna wait until Wednesday. I'm still gonna be able to use it. So I'm just gonna prop it up on my dresser. Right now I have, let me show you. Hello, right now I have this mirror right here. So we're just gonna move that out of the way and put the TV mounted right here. And of course I have the Geek Squad coming on Wednesday to get this mounted. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it on my dresser so I can use it tonight. Of course I want to be able to use it tonight and watch something on it because I've been wanting a TV in this room for over a year, and we have a reason to get one now. When I had my old job, I was just on chat, so it didn't really matter. I could it was fine. And also Raph wasn't here, but he's coming back. I don't know if anyone is, I don't know if I've told you that yet. Yo, he's coming back. Like, he's actually coming back. I'm so freaking excited about it. It's gonna be in November, and I mean, like, it's announced. It's happening. We don't have an actual date, like November 1st, November what, but hopefully he'll be back by Thanksgiving. And so he is coming back. So it's, the US is opening for people that are vaccinated. So super easy, very, very nice, very fun. He's gonna get to come back. I'm so excited. And we both wanted a TV in here, but we probably need one because while I'm working, I can't have stuff, you know, like going on in the background. So he can come in here, shut the door, and play in the bed. And I can do it too because I want to be able to watch my shows in bed. Oh my God. So much. I'm so jazzed. Anyways, Mom should be here any minute, and we're gonna get it in, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's propped up on the dresser. You guys, look! I'm so excited. I've never had a TV before that has one of these. I didn't know what it was. I'm so excited. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Oh, is that better? I don't know, but I hope you're all having a wonderful day. As you can see, you guys, I am obsessed with this TV. You don't understand. Like, I am genuinely obsessed with it. I love it to literal pieces. We have guys coming on Wednesday to mount the TV on the wall, and then I ordered a bezel from Best Buy. I should have ordered it while I was there, but I didn't think about it, like I forgot. And the bezels are what goes around the actual TV to make it look like a frame. It's the actual frame part. But for some reason I forgot to order it while I was at Best Buy, and I would have put it on the Best Buy card. But anyways, I was able to order the bezel, and I'm super excited about it. We got a white one, and it's coming in on October the 6th. So from my knowledge, I think that all you have to do, because this one doesn't have a bezel on it right now, it's just the TV. It doesn't have any kind of like framing on it. So this is just how it comes. And then the bezel will go around this. And when it's hung on the wall, it'll literally look like a picture frame. Like, it'll look like a picture. Like, it's so freaking cool. I have this one on right now, but I've got this one, which I really like a lot. And then, of course, I had to have this one. Like, this is like my favorite painting of all time. I had to have this one. Of course, this is like everyone's favorite painting. I got this one for the winter time. Look how cute! I really like it. I like how like angular, and there's a lot of lines in this one. I don't know if I can show that one on YouTube. Oh, this one was really cool, I thought. William Murray Chase, a girl in Japanese gown. Very, very pretty. I like that one. That one already has a frame around it, but there's just so many you can do. But I really love this one, so I might just keep this one here for now. So yeah, I'm so hyped. But today, I'm of course going to my parents' house because it is Sunday, and I do like to hang out with them at least one time a week. But I'm hoping and praying with all my heart that we can go to hibachi today. My mom doesn't love hibachi food. She kind of tolerates it, but me and my dad really like it. But it's been a long time and I haven't had it in a long time, and I've been like begging them to like go to hibachi, but my mom doesn't really want to go. I'm gonna have my coffee now. It's like 10:30 a.m. and I haven't had coffee yet. I have a dice set in the pressure pot right now that I'm super excited about, and I really hope it turns out good, because if it does, it's gonna be like one of my favorites. Like, I really like it. Anyways, at this point I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm watching some true crime. I'm actually watching about the Gabby Petito case. Horrific, horrible thing that happened, and I pray for her family every single day. I literally just started watching. I'm watching Kendall Ray actually, and I just started. I'm 12 minutes into this video, and the video is an hour and 7 minutes long. So I don't even really know what's happened. I just started watching this. I've heard about it on like the news and stuff. I'm gonna go for now. I'll let you know when something else interesting happens, but I am going to my parents later. And yeah, I've rambled for so long. Hi, quick little update. Sadly, I'm not going to my parents' house today. Today has just been a day, you guys. It's just been stressful today. Today has had a lot of stuff happen. But I'm not going to my parents. We just decided not to. My camera's flashing. But I got the hibachi scallops. Did you know? Apparently, hibachi is not really a thing in Japan. That's what Raph told me, that it's not really a thing. It's more, that's more like an American Japanese thing, like an American thing. I had no idea. I thought that it was gonna be like very popular, but I guess not. Anyways, I did get it. I got the scallops. Oh, I love scallops so much. They're like the best. Of course, the rice, the fried rice with the yum yum sauce and the like that hot chili paste. But oh, it's all just so good. But I am so full and I feel very sleepy because I'm so full. Anyways, I'm at this point just gonna continue watching. I'm still actually watching the same Kendall Ray true crime video. I'm actually 45 minutes in now, so I have watched quite a bit more than last time. So you guys, I did actually end up going to my parents' house today. I didn't film any of it. I literally we started watching Halloween Wars. Me and my mom, we love Halloween Wars. And I literally thought to myself, I should film because I'm here and I haven't filmed yet. And then I forgot and I didn't do it. So anyways, I did go to my parents' house. So it was a fun time. But I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog. And I hope that you enjoyed this time. I hope that you like the TV. I will be filming whenever I get it like mounted and get the bezel on it. That's going to be super nice. I can't wait for that. But yeah, for now, I'm going to go. But be sure to follow my Instagram. I post here daily. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. And give this video a like. Bye!